Got some more ripe figs out here too. Worked out really well this year to where we were able to keep pace with the ones that would ripen. I would pretty much pick enough to fill the dehydrator, and by the time they were finished drying and coming out of the dryer, it was time to pick some more. So we didn't really lose too many to critters or rot or whatever, but I do see one down here that the ants got too. So maybe I missed that one last time I picked them, I don't know. But yeah, I just pulled most of what I had in the dehydrator off the dehydrator, except there was a few on the top shelf that were still a little bit softer than I would want to take them out. See how these other ones are doing. It's actually pretty warm today. It's got almost 80, 78 or so. Feels nice. So yeah, if that keeps up, we might see some of these ripen, but I kind of doubt it. That's about it.